Piglet. Not you. This is Piglet. 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 What? You want this one too? You want the bear? Bear! Oh, you don't want that bear, you want that bear. Bear! Where you going? Oh! Oh dear. Now you want that bear. What is this? A game of pull all the bears off the shelf? But I don't want that bear. That bear goes back there. Oh, pull the bunny off the shelf. I don't want that bunny. Here, let's put that back there. Let's put the bunny over here. Where's Piglet? Go find Piglet. Oh boy. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Thank you. What? Oh, excuse you. What did you have for lunch? What? 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 Tell me. What? 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 You want up? What did you find? A button? What? 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 What?